So guys, Windows 11 volume mixer UI is not updating after change the value in third party app. So first reset Windows audio service. So click to start, type services.msc. Services and right click to run as administrator. Then press W and audio. Okay, so double click to open, select the automatic and then apply and okay, then again select Windows audio and then click to restart. Okay, and then closed. Ensure the audio driver up to date. So if you update, so right click and go to device manager. Okay, extract audio input, speaker, right click to update and search automatically, and then close. Then scan for hardware changes. Then guys close. Next troubleshoot. So click to start and go to setting, system, slow down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot. So click to run audio. Okay, then again back, sound, you can volume full. Okay, then guys next method. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last. So guys, how to run chkdsk? Click to start and type cmd and right click to run as administrator. Then click to yes for administrator rights. Type chkdsk space c column. C means your C drive, and space slash f space slash c, and then hit enter, and then click to yes. So guys, if you repair some other drive like DEF, so you can after that restart. Restart your system, then properly deep scanning, like start this one, okay. Fix C drive. After that your system will be restart. Welcome screen. Okay.